welcome back to Benmarks Motors. Got a nice one again for you today. We've got a 2020 BMW 1 Series. This is the 118i M Sport. It's finished in this lovely colour that really suits the car's sharp modern design. This is a premium hatchback that combines sporty styling, great performance and everyday usability. It's powered by BMW's responsive 1.5 litre petrol engine, which produces 140 brake horsepower. That's paired with its smooth DCT automatic gearbox. It is also Euro 6 compliant, and it offers an engaging drive whilst keeping the running costs down and sensible. 0 to 60 on this particular model is just 8.5 seconds, making it quicker and more dynamic than many others in its class. It is an absolutely lovely car. It's the colour for me that sets it apart from the rest of the cars we've got in stock at the moment. It is like this lovely metallic grey. It really stands out and it's really nice. It comes with full service history, so we know it's clearly been well looked after. When we pick it up and stuff, obviously we talk to the previous owners and try and get as much information as we can. So we know it's being well looked after. So it is a real credit to its last owner. Obviously it is the M Sport model, so it benefits from sporty styling both inside and out. You've got the upgraded alloy wheels on there, which you can see the fine sport design. And I'll show you the inside. Inside we've got supportive seats and a really nice driver focused cabin, which I'll show you now. There we go, just first impressions are stunning. Really nice. BMW have definitely done it again. One of the things that you probably greeted, you can probably see it just over that side. On the door cards there's this lovely light. I don't even know how to describe it. It is really nice. I can see it better there. There we go. It is really nice. As we go inside the car, as mentioned, you've got this lovely supportive seats throughout. Really nice leather. And that again is just shown throughout the rest of the car. There we go. So a really nice heads-up display. Really nice heads-up display there with all your controls underneath. You've got your air conditioning controls and your controls for your multimedia. It does have a CD player there as well. Oh, sorry, no, it doesn't. My apologies. It doesn't have a CD player. Moving down, you got all your controls that you need are here at your touch. Basically, everything's here. No need to go around the car. It's all here. This is how you can control your media unit, as you can see there. Twist and turn. All your buttons at the top for your media, your home, your map, your navigation, and your communication, such as your phone as well. Really nice, sporty kind of gear selector there in the middle, which is really nice, really easy to use. And again, obviously, you've got reverse, neutral drive, and it is obviously a semi-automatic, so you can drive it in manual as well if you wanted. Automatic handbrake. We've obviously got your auto hold as well, and your different driving options. Just really like the car. It's just the attention to detail that you have in the car as well. Like obviously you've got all that light on there. Just really suits this car. Obviously it is a hatchback, but you're still not low on room on this one. That nice sporty feel, what you see over there, goes right through the back as well. Plenty of foot space. And you'd have 2 USB charging sockets in the back, as well as these lovely nice little storage nets. Obviously electric windows throughout, and again that lighting system, which is just stunning. Really nice, especially at night. And a really nice 60-40 split in the back on the seats. And it is that nice leather as well. Get quite a decent sized boot on this particular model. It's nice and flat as well, with some storage, with quite a big bit of storage underneath as well. So I mean, this can come out. This does lift out, and you can have a deeper boot if you needed. So if you've got prams or anything, you can lift that bottom way out and put the prams across the bottom. It's just a really nice stunning car, this one. It'll come supplied with 2 keys. It'll have a fresh MOT at the point of sale as well, and a 6-month warranty for added peace of mind. So there you go, to sum it up, you've got low mileage, full service history, strong performance, and a sharp M Sport styling. This is probably one of my favourite cars in here at the moment. This BMW 118i M Sport is a fantastic choice, really is. If you're looking for a premium hatchback that's both fun and easy to drive. it's here now at Benmarks Motors. Get in touch if you want to arrange a viewing. Pop down anytime you want. As always, we do have a big showroom full of more cars, so we will find you something that you'll like. Thanks again for watching.